So, what do you need for class? You need your computer so that you can get to Edsby and find out all the assignments on there. You need a notebook. We are pretty flexible about you can pretty much bring any kind of notebook that you want. You want it to be able to hold the paper that you use and the graph paper. Although you can have a spiral notebook, you can have a three-ring binder. If you do have a spiral notebook, though, then you want to have something to be able to collect the handouts we give in class, like some kind of notebook or folder that you have. You'll need a pencil, eraser, um, any kind of organization materials. Again, that's your choice. We will give you a whiteboard. You don't need to go out and buy a whiteboard. But you do need to have your own whiteboard markers and eraser, so make sure that you have those. And don't. The other thing about the materials is we're going to have some kind of end of year component, kind of like a final exam. And so make sure that you don't throw away materials. It's okay when we're done with a unit. We're going to have 9 units throughout the year. When you're done with a unit, you can leave that material in your house, but don't throw them away because you're going to need those materials at the end of the year.